whatever ads we see while scrolling down on YouTube, those ads run through Google Ads. If you also want your product, services, your company, your brand to reach the world with the help of video ads, then you can run YouTube ads through Google. Alright, it is a part of Google Ads only. So from today, we will teach you this course that we are running on Google Ads, how to create different types of ads on YouTube. We will learn it at a practical level so that you can also use them and so that it can benefit your job or your business and you will be able to get better results with less costing. Okay, so we will also teach you all the strategies and everything. We will teach you practically and show you how to create ads. But friends, before that, it's important for you to know that where and how are these YouTube ads and video ads are created in Google, and also what are the different types of formats for these, and along with that, whenever we create ads in these, then how and where do we define our purpose or objective. Okay, so if you understand this, then when I explain it to you practically one by one, I will teach you all how to create every type of video ad on YouTube. So you can easily know that for your business, or if you are working on some client's business, then how to choose the right kind of ad for the business, which ad will solve your purpose. Okay, so here you can see that I have my Google Ads account open on my computer screen right now. Before that, I have a new tab open on my computer screen and I have a link open here. This whole thing is a Google document. Okay, so you all can see about video ad formats. There are different types of video formats for YouTube. For example, skippable, in-stream ads, in-feed video ad, non-skippable, bumper ads, YouTube shorts. But one of these is not showing here. It is master ads. So here you all can see, whenever a person opens the YouTube application, then over here you can see there's an ad running at the top along with a banner. Whole section is an ad. So friends, basically this is what we call the masterhead ads. Okay, this particular format that you see didn't happen very long ago. But suppose if you are a big brand and your budget is good and you want ads. So in order to set up the ads, you will need to talk to Google's team and only they will set up the entire thing and run your ad. And this specific thing is known as masthead ads. So friends, I hope this is clear to you. You will need to contact Google's team if you have such projects. If you want to run this ad and have a good budget, then do it. It's a great option. Now, what are skippable in-stream ads? Let me tell you. So whenever a video is running and suddenly in the middle of it, an ad comes, it appears at the beginning and after 5 seconds, there is a skip ad option for you to skip it. So if someone clicks on skip, then it is called a skippable in-stream ad. We will teach you how to create it practically. What are non-skippable in-stream ads? As you can see here, these are the ads that appear when someone is watching a video on YouTube. And suddenly an ad appeared there and for 15 seconds you can't skip it, you have to watch it. So this is known as non-skippable ads. This is how it is, friends. Alright, now what are in-feed video ads? Come and let's take a look at them. So let's say I have searched for something here. Okay, I am searching for NEET Institute. The ads that you see in the feed over here. Okay, this is our feed. We are looking here. Now when we are looking at the page, we can also see some sponsored ads for different companies. Can you see it? So basically, what do we call this? Do any of you know what do we call this, friends? This thing is known as in-feed video ads. We have bumper ads. They are also the same as what we are seeing right now. It is a small ad and it can be skipped in 5 seconds. The ad plays for 5 to 6 seconds. So basically it is called a bumper ad. And YouTube shorts. Because shorts is a new format, ads have been shown in last few years. When we scroll and watch some videos, then the next video comes up as an ad. So for that we need a video that is under 60 seconds and which is in vertical format. So these are different formats. And here whenever we create a YouTube campaign or we select something, and when we select the video format, then we get some subtypes of campaigns like video views, efficient reach, target frequency, non-skippable reach. Okay, drive conversions, ad sequences, audio, YouTube subscriptions and engagement. Basically these are not formats. These are the objectives. It is the purpose. What is your purpose? It is to get more views or to get maximum reach, or what do they call it? Bringing in conversions. Or what do we call it? Getting more subscribers and increasing more engagement on the channel or on the video. So it gave the objective. But I said I want to increase the subscribers for my channel. So I will choose this format. So if I want to bring in conversions, then I'll use this format. But I will not use format, I will use objective. So over here, I have selected the subtypes, and inside this, it tells us that if you use this particular format, then you can create skippable in-stream, non-skippable in-stream, and other types of ads. It's important to know that the type of objective determines what kind of ads will run. Keep this in mind, okay? So basically, some don't support these formats, but there are some formats that they support. We will teach you each and every format practically in this course from A to Z, including how to create YouTube ads. So friends, if you haven't subscribed the channel yet and haven't pressed the bell icon, then do it, because this course is amazing. As well as the upcoming videos are very informative, and new courses and skills keep coming to our channel, which are money making. They are futuristic and they are advanced. Thank you.